Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you the product settings page in CodeWright. You can start by selecting the brand, select the product category, and you'll have your products loaded in the section. This is a page for you to effectively manage your products, from choosing which products to sell, managing the pricing, as well as controlling the delivery timeframes. And the good thing about it is you have an option to update products individually or by batch. This section also allows you to do other things, from setting up individual install and freight costs to managing product option preferences, like what options are mandatory and which options you want to hide in code, supplier orders, and even in measure and install. All these things you can do in product settings. Our aim here is to make sure that this is quick and easy for you guys to oversee your products. I hope you find this helpful. If you want to know more about the product settings, feel free to check our other videos for some more helpful functions.